So day 3 of the Alfalfa, and this one has been super speedy. You can see where I had the weight of the other tray on top of it, it sort of pushed them over where it's being pushed up, but that's not caused any, it won't cause any problems. They will straighten up whilst you water them. They, you know, get more strength. So I'm going to bring that one into the light. Actually, it's yellow. That's perfectly normal. Obviously, with going into the sunlight, it will then turn green. And I'm just going to leave it for a few hours on the window ledge, just to give it a bit of chance, you know, in the light without giving it any more water at this time. But probably in the evening, depending when you get it out, sort of maybe 6 hours afterwards, then you can give it some watering, which I will show you how to do on the next video. So the sprouting alfalfa, I did one set growing and then one put it in here, and I've left it in the colander actually. And when I'm feeling that, you can feel the roots, they're trying to grab hold of things. I know some people use you know, tissue paper and everything, and they will grow into that actually. That's what they will just try and grasp what they can. But they're still wet when I did those. It's only been a couple of days and they're sticking to my finger where they're wet. So I am just going to leave them in there like that for today, and I'm just going to cover them with a tea towel like that. So I'm just, so they've got dark, because obviously when they've got dark they'll be shooting quicker. So I'll be checking in a few days.